description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something that came by way of James from Lakeside, California, and that is this. This is Vifon with their hot beef, and it's a spicy Szechuan beef. It is made in Vietnam for the Polish market, for Poland, okay? And the way you cook it is slightly different. So here's the noodle block. It does say crumble the noodles. This is more to be served as like a side dish. Because by doing this, all that wheat gluten is just going to explode. That's pretty crumbled in my guesstimation. I'm going to drop that in. I don't know how that's going to work, but let's see. And I don't know if we boil it further. It's 150 mils of water. You really can't boil it all that much. 3 minutes covered. So what I'm just going to do is sit here with it, hang out with it, and kind of mull it around a little for 3 minutes. Alright, so what's happening? Oh, that should go in there too. The vegetable. So, it's a weird day. It's cloudy, rainy. I got rained on quite a bit earlier. This is so weird. It really is strange, folks. I don't know how well this will do what it's supposed to do, but we'll find out. Yeah, this one needs to hydrate. 3 minutes, huh? Well, it's thinking about it, but 150 milliliters of water is like 2 tablespoons over a half a cup. And the whole idea is that it's going to soak that up and be like a side dish. I'm not really sure that that's going to happen correctly, but maybe we'll have to give it a little bit of help. And we'll see. But, yeah. All they're talking about is the possibility of new cars that are going to cost like $12,000 more. Which definitely wouldn't be a good thing. That piece is not hydrating, and it's already soaked up pretty much all the liquid. Although there is liquid escaping right in front of our eyes right here, so I don't know how that is helpful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a pinch of liquid. Just a pinch. And I'm going to return the heat over there. And we'll see what that does. Will it do anything? Probably not much, but because it's supposed to be like a noodle, like a dry noodle dish. That's what I'm getting out of this. Yeah. There we go. I should have looked up a video on how people prepare this, because I guarantee you there are Polish YouTubers who have been like, check out the spicy beef, the Pikantine. Pikantine? But yeah, if you are in Europe and you have instant noodles that I haven't tried, I would love to try them, honestly. I want to try all the Ukrainian stuff, all the Russian stuff, all the instant noodles of Europe. There we go. I think now are we good? Feels good. It feels good. Okay. All right. Oh, man. I'm just glad I'm wearing shoes. I would have been screaming. I just ran over my heel in my shoes. Okay, here's the liquid base. So it's supposed to have like a Szechuan pepper kind of thing to it. Okay, this is looking like it does on the package. This is neat. Yeah, it's got a Szechuan pepper bump to it. I can smell it. So it's kind of like, yeah. That looks about right. All right. So I guess I better try it. Cheers. It's got a Szechuan pepper bump to it. It is a little spicy. The noodle is very unique. It's very wide. This is really different. Now, do I like it? I'm not going to say no, but I'm not going to say I'm like super stoked on it. And that bowl's way too big. We're going to use this. I think this is good. But it still leaves me with needing... Oh, no. Nope. We're not using that. We're going to use... Oh, that kind of fits. But it's... Yeah. We're going for this. I think this seems more the part. There. And use odd. I just realized that all three that I'm doing today really don't have any broth. So this spoon can be used for doing this. All right. Chinese sausage. I know it's not Polish sausage, but it's sausage. Some scallion. Crushed red pepper. Sesame seeds. And there it is. Interesting. Thanks, James. Cool. All right, well, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. This came from the nice folks at Lemonillo USA. This is Lemonillo Fire Chow Mein, and I was thinking about doing a mukbang of this. We'll see. We'll see. All right, it's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.